Hey, this is Renee from the Craft Table. Welcome to the summer hand embroidery stitch along. This is the short version. You can go to the long version where I explain some changes between how we did it last year and this year, one of which is there's a short version and a long version. So, week one, kick off gathering your supplies. Basically, you will need fabric to stitch on. If you are using the same fabric that I'm using, I will have links to where you can purchase that. I would recommend if you're using a light fabric that you also have fabric to line your stitching fabric. You will need threads, floss, pearl cotton, whatever you like to stitch with, an embroidery hoop, and needles. Also, scissors to cut your thread, and optional supplies would be thread conditioner and a needle threader if you find those things helpful. I will be using this panel from Allison Glass for my stitching. And I will be using her threads. This is the one that I think matches if you were only going to get one box. This is called Sun. She also has Flora and Fauna. Those are her three solid thread collections, also sold individually. So I'll be using that. I've got I think this is a 6-inch, 5 or 6-inch hoop. And the needles I like to use for the 8-weight pearl cotton, which is what I'm using, is a pack of Bowen size 5. Those are the needles that I like to use. So this week, it's just about gathering our fabric and getting it prepped and ready to go. And I will see you next week for week 2 when we actually start embroidering. Happy stitching!